Welcome back to my channel, Leslie McEwen, Mental Health Simplified. In this video, I will explain briefly what counseling or therapy is, who it's for, and what to expect. I know counseling and therapy can seem mysterious and intimidating to some people. The idea of speaking to a stranger about your business may not feel safe. Think of it as a conversation, a safe space to explore your thoughts and feelings. It's about understanding yourself better, your strengths, your weaknesses, and the behaviors that might be holding you back. Whether you're dealing with stress, going through a difficult life change, or fighting with past trauma, therapy can provide tools and insight. Here's an example. A compass doesn't tell you where to go, but it helps you find your direction. Counseling and therapy are a bit like that. They don't solve your problems for you, but they provide a safe space and guidance to help you figure things out. So what really happened in counseling? Counseling usually lasts about an hour and takes place in a private location. The counselor will ask you questions to get to know and understand what you're hoping to achieve with therapy. You can talk openly about your feelings and thoughts, good or bad, without being judged. As everything you discuss will be kept confidential. And this is the number one important thing, confidentiality. So if you're feeling down, anxious, or like you can't cope, don't be afraid to ask for help. Talk to a trusted person or a friend in your life, like a doctor, your pastor, your parent, a teacher, a school counselor, etc. They can help you find the right person to speak to. There are a lot of myths and untruths surrounding counseling, and we need to dispel those. It is important to remember that anyone can go to counseling or therapy. It is crucial to understand that seeking counseling or therapy is an active step towards self-care and your well-being. It is not a sign of weakness, and it is not only for those experiencing a mental breakdown. Just like visiting a doctor for a physical checkup is essential for maintaining a healthy body, therapy is about proactively caring for your mental health. Disclaimer, this is general information and not a substitute for professional advice. If you're considering therapy, I encourage you to do some research, reach out to a therapist, and learn more. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if there's a topic you would like me to speak about, please leave it in the comments. Thank you.